Why in the world did a powerful earthquake in the Caribbean run major shockwaves through the region? The Caribbean is no stranger to seismic activity, but this particular event was extraordinary. Stay tuned to find out. We'll dive into the details of this significant geological event and its impact on the surrounding areas. Yesterday, at 6:23 p.m. Eastern Time, a powerful earthquake came through and struck the Caribbean Sea, north of Honduras and southwest of the Cayman Islands. The epicenter was located deep beneath the ocean floor, causing a ripple effect that was felt far and wide, measuring a whopping 7.6 on the Richter scale. Wow. This quake triggered tsunami advisories for Puerto Rico, the U.S. Virgin Islands, and the British Virgin Islands. The magnitude of this earthquake is a clear reminder of the powerful forces at play beneath the Earth's crust. The U.S. National Tsunami Warning Center initially issued alerts, which were later lifted. These advisories are crucial in ensuring the safety of residents in coastal areas as they provide timely information on potential threats. Authorities in the Cayman Islands and Puerto Rico advised residents to avoid water activities as a precaution. This is a standard procedure to prevent any potential harm from unexpected waves or aftershocks. Interestingly, despite the quake's strength, no significant damage or casualties were reported. This can be attributed to the depth of the earthquake and the preparedness of the local communities. The quake was felt by over 326 people, serving as a stark reminder of the region's seismic activity. Residents reported feeling the ground shake and hearing a low rumble which lasted for several seconds. Stay safe, stay informed, and always heed official warnings during such events. Preparedness is key in minimizing the impact of natural disasters. Make sure to have an emergency plan in place and know the evacuation routes in your area. Understanding the science behind earthquakes can also help in staying prepared. Earthquakes occur due to the movement of tectonic plates, and regions like the Caribbean are particularly susceptible due to their geological makeup. In the aftermath of such events, it's important to support local communities and aid in recovery efforts. Together we can build resilience and ensure a safer future for everyone. AMD, make sure to like and subscribe for more turbo trending, new on-time breaking news. Just for you, thank you. Thank you for watching. And remember to stay vigilant and informed. Your safety is our priority.